And you said almost a 63 on this, man.
Yeah.
That's pretty good. Congrats. What was your goals out of it? Have you met your goal yet?
I wanted to do a 60 on budget equipment.
Okay. You did it.
These are all budget subs,
Yep.
Budget amps.
I'd love to. Can I come in?
Yep.
Hello.
Does she do hair tricks?
Yeah, she does. Every show. She's tore up by the end of the show. Could you show me your name real quick and equipment?
My name's Chris Rickman. You can leave that window.
I will
down.
after the info.
This is a 6th order. Bottom chamber is 24 hertz, top chamber is 44. 815s on 4 8Ks. Does a 62.8.
Huh? What are your peaks at?
I peak at 38 hertz.
38. Okay. Do you know your tunings?
Yeah, the bottom's 24 and the top's 44.
44.
Nice. And I think it's around 64 cubes total.
Who built it?
So Don, our team president, built it, and the chamber was too big. So my other teammate Joby, he shrunk it and then reinforced it because it wasn't strong enough. It was flexing a lot. So.
Yeah. Okay. All right. Patrick. Awesome. You said almost a 63 on this, man.
Yeah.
That's pretty good. Congrats. What was your goals out of it? Have you met your goal yet?
I wanted to do a 60 on budget equipment.
Okay. You did it.
These are all budget subs, budget amps. I made it happen. So.
Yes, sir.
What's going on, everyone? This is JacobViral. I hope you enjoyed the full walk around we just got of Chris's system. This was at the Team Deadly Hurt show in Virginia of 2021. TDH is the show name. Looking forward to giving y'all a really great bass demo. Really brutal demo, to be honest. It was playing over a 160 decibel range on music with both windows down. You're going to see some pretty crazy subwoofer flex. So these are really powerful amps. I noticed the name of his system he didn't mention is called the Punisher. He was running probably one amplifier per 2 set of subs, so 4 8Ks, so around 3,000 to 4,000 watts per subwoofer on power. I didn't get the electrical side like alternator battery, but I'm pretty sure he's running between an 80 and 120 amp hours of lithium with 3 high output alternators I saw underneath of the hood. And this is actually a 6th order enclosure. A lot of people watching my videos don't know what that is. There's a rear port behind all of these fancy, nice, solid bracings that makes this a 6th order, and there's a box underneath of this enclosure where the subwoofer magnets are, making it 2 bandwidth for 2 different tunings. And then the front port, you can see on the left and right, there's a little bit of PVC roundover for a loading wall, so there actually is a front port as well. It's just really opened up. Most 6th orders have a really big front port and a small back port for that low tuning. So we're going to go get to the bass demo now. If you haven't already, consider subscribing for daily car audio videos coming your way every day, and enjoy the demo. Pretty impressive from Chris.
Okay. All right. Patrick. Awesome.
With the power like with the power like
That does really well around, I'm going to guess, 38 hertz, 37, 38?
That's 33 to
33? That was really musical. Wow.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
And you said almost a 63 on this, man.
Yeah.
That's pretty good. What was your goals out of it? Have you met your goal yet?
I wanted to do a 60 on budget equipment.
Okay. You did it.
These are all budget subs,
Yep.
budget amps. Made it happen. So.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much.
Do you want one of these? You want black or white?
I don't really do stickers, to be completely honest. I don't want to get it and throw it away. So. Thank you very much for the offer, though. I appreciate it. What was your name again?
My name's Chris.
Chris. Thank you, Chris. You have a good day, man.
You too.
Up, door breaking the base. There we go. Appreciate it. Have a good day, Chris. That was great.